Days of the week. A week has 7 days. 7 days. But do you know what is a day? Let's learn. We use a digital clock to tell time. It shows us 3 types of numbers. Number 1, seconds. Number 2, minutes. Number 3, hours. A second is really quick. It goes by in a flash. When 60 seconds pass, they make 1 minute. And when 60 minutes pass, they make 1 hour. And when 24 hours pass, that's called 1 day. And guess what? There are 7 days in 1 week. We also have a clock with hands in our house. That's called an analog clock. It has 3 hands. The long, thin hand ticks every second. It moves fast and shows seconds when it makes 1 full circle. The thicker, long hand moves 1 step. That's the minute hand, and it shows minutes. And when that minute hand goes all the way around, the shortest hand, the hour hand, moves a little. It moves slowly and shows hours. When the hour hand makes 1 full circle around the clock 24 times, 1 whole day has passed. Isn't that cool? Now let's learn the 7 days of the week. Monday, the first day of the school or work. Tuesday, the second school day. Wednesday, the third day of school. Thursday, the fourth school day. Friday, the fifth day of the week. Saturday, usually a day off. It's the 6th day of the week. Sunday, the last day of the week. Sunday is fun day. Which day is your favorite? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now let's sing the names of the days together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 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 Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, 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 Friday. Saturday, 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 Saturday. Sunday, 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 Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.